I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create VIP senders on your Mail app on your iPhone so that you never miss an email from them. So your first step is to open up your Mail app. Next, we're going to use an email that has a particular sender that we want to add as a VIP sender. So I'm going to use this return from Amazon, for example. We're going to tap on the send address on the very top here, and then we're going to again click on where it says return@amazon.com. This is going to bring up their contact page, and to easily do this, we're just going to click on add to VIP, and now this particular sender will always pop up as a notification on your iPhone. Now lastly, we got to make sure these notifications are coming through properly, so what we're going to do is go home and open up our settings app. We're going to scroll all the way down here to apps, then we're going to scroll again to mail and open up our mail settings. Scroll to notifications. You're going to want to make sure your notifications are on, as well with immediate delivery. Then you'll scroll all the way to the bottom and click customize notifications, and then go to VIP. Here you're going to make sure to have the alerts on. You can set the sound to whatever you'd like, and then badges will make sure that it shows up and tells you exactly what is in the email. Now, every time a VIP sender sends you an email, it will pop up a notification and it will be filtered in a special VIP section on your Mail app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.